when you look at the camera and tell people what it tastes like.
Tastes like food.
Yeah man, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And I'm telling you man, it's been a while since I have been cooking in this kitchen. You know, as you've been seeing many videos, I was away in Jamaica. But I'm back again, yeah, and I'm gonna put out some serious content for you guys. And many of you have been requesting vegan or vegetarian dish. You know, so today I decided to do a vegetable chow mein. Is it chow mein? Yeah man, chow mein. Yeah man, so I'm gonna go ahead and prepare that and let you guys see, you know, because it's not all about just eating meat. I eat meat, you know, but sometimes I do eat vegan stuff and vegetarian stuff, you know, with my tea. So I'm gonna do a vegetable chow mein for you guys, Chef Garnet style. Okay, so if I'm not doing it the way you know to do it, then it's just because I'm doing it my style. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah man, and leave a comment in the comment section. And please share the word for me, you know, because we need the subscribers them to come in. And roll them in one by one, 2 by 2. Yes, yeah, I got my vegetables already prepared because of time consuming. I don't want to go through all of that process to show you, but if you want to see me prepare my vegetables in the future videos, then please leave a comment and let me know. You know, just for me to see the time I do my preparation already. As you can see, we got our so here we are again, people. You can see my water is on the flame for my noodle. So I'm just going to put in a bit of salt. It may look like a lot, but it's not. So I'm going to leave that to come to a boil, the water. Then I'll be putting my noodle in there. So what I'll be doing while my water is boiling, you know, I'll put in a bit of dark soy sauce in my water, just to color the noodle a bit. You know, because sometimes you don't want the noodle to come out a bit whitish. So I'm saying, and I'm going to put in just a little bit of sesame oil in that as well. Just like a tip, just to flavor the noodle. Even though it's gonna, you know, I love to do it like this. And this is a Chef Garnet way. I find it a bit more, you know, easier and the flavor soak into the noodle by doing that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my coconut cream in a saucepan, you know, just to bring out all those flavor in the cream. You know, because one of the ways to get the flavors out of many things is to eat it. Alright, so that will be going over the noodle. Yeah man, so while it is getting ready, I just want to big up my hometown, you know. So for those of you who are watching in Portmore, Gregory Park, I want to big up yourself, you know, yourself, you know, families and friends, you know, been supporting the channel also, yeah. And big up those who are watching from, you know, all over the island and wherever you are in the world. Just pick up yourself. Special shout out to you guys, because you guys been supporting me for a long time, you know, to get me where I am now. You know, I'm not there yet, I'm still going, you know, but without your help guys, I could not get this far, not one bit. You know, so just keep supporting the channel, keep spreading the good news, you know, keep cheering me on. And sometimes you need a little bit of encouragement, you know guys. You know, it doesn't matter what you're doing in life, you always need somebody to encourage you. You know, encouragement is always important. If there's no one there to encourage you, you know, you gotta encourage yourself. And if there's no one there to encourage, that means you're not doing something you're not doing right. And there's no one that likes you. You know, if you got true friends and real friends, they will really encourage you, you know, to do better and to do things, you know, in a different way. Yeah man, so encouraging someone, doesn't matter who they may be in life. They could even be your enemy, keep encouraging them. You know, because you never know, your enemy could really turn on to be your best friend. I've seen that many a times, you know. So yeah, as I said, this channel is all about cook and inspire. So when I'm not cooking, I'm actually inspiring people, you know. And you will see a lot of that coming very soon as well, you know. And while I'm encouraging people, I'm encouraging myself also. Come on, so big up on yourself. You always need somebody on your side, in your corner. Yeah man, so let me come back and show you what I want. Okay, so that's the coconut milk. I'm just bringing that up to a boil and then turn off the flame. You know guys, so yeah. If you follow this video step by step, you know you can't go wrong. You'll get the flavor that you're looking for. It will really taste good. And you know, if you miss anything, just rewind it. Just go like that. Rewind it, and you know, rewind it, and then you just catch it. Play it over and over, and you'll see what I'm doing. Okay? And and Grace, you've been requesting this one. This one is for you. I dedicate this one to you, Grace. But you've been requesting vegan dishes for a long time. You know what? I've got lots of them coming your way, and for those of you who are vegan, vegetarian, yes. As I say, you see the coconut cream. You wanna have it on the flame until it almost come to a custardy form. You know, as you can see, the spoon is coated. Yeah. I'll turn that off in the meantime. Put that over there. And what I'll be doing now, I'll be put it in my noodle. This is what it looks like, a noodle. So I'll leave that there for our next 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'll turn off the flame, because don't forget, you don't want your noodle to be too soft. Alright? And so here we are. Here we have it. A noodle. It's already done. Oops. See that paper? I'm not paying attention. The noodle already done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it off now. So come over here and let me show you what I want. What I'll do, I'll strain it off. And I'll run some cold water to stop the cooking process. So let's leave that to drain. So right, so here we're gonna go now with some vegetable. So we're my assistant chef now. So I'm gonna go in with some olive oil. That's the last bit in the bottle. I'm gonna wring the bottle out. What I'll be doing now is adding in my garlic in there, because I needed that flavor from the garlic, you know, to infuse in the oil and to really taste of that noodle garlic. So in goes your garlic. Bring it on medium. Smell that garlic already, people, if you can. To the camera. I'm going to my carrot now, people. My julienne strips carrot. And my beans as well, because these are a bit longer to cook. My string beans and broad beans. Here we are again with my rest of my vegetables, my bell peppers and my mixed vegetables going in at once. Now I'm going to go in with my ginger. I'm going to go in with some mixed herbs. Okay. What I'll be doing now is going with some liquid Maggi season. And this is the hot one. Alright, so it's a bit spicy. And my wife is asking again. Can I get Maggi here, like, as long as me a cook. So I'm going with some ginger soy sauce. I'm also going to use a bit of Maggi all purpose. I love Maggi. I don't care what you want to say. I love Maggi. I love my Maggi. First, let me do my cabbage. So my wife said the cabbage is tenderized. Call love that look. All those color. I'll tell you something that needs with your eyes as well, you know. Very important. It smells nice. Are you sure? Yeah, so if my wife says it smells nice, it smells nice. So go in with your coconut milk now, babes.
All of it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, teach you how to cook enough people.
No, I may teach you. So.
Are you teach me?
Yeah.
You sure about that one?
Yeah.
Embarrassed. I'm very embarrassed. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of soy. That's the color it up. I'll be using my pink salt paper. Here we have our noodle. Already drained and almost dried out. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be just give it a little splash of soy, oyster sauce. Smell that flavor already, and I'll be going in with some sesame oil. They said, people, if you gotta check whether you are allergic to these sauce before you actually use them, because sometimes these sauce, you know, can affect people who are allergic to certain things. See that? I need a little bit more of soy sauce. Look at that, that's the color you're looking for. You just need a little bit more. So follow me now. Here's my assistant chef gone. Babes! So I was gonna go in with the noodle. So I'll go in with a bit of chili. If you like it a bit sweety, you can also add what do you call it? Sweet chili sauce to it. Here it is. So sometimes you go out for a meal and you order a meal like this in the restaurant, it costs you around like maybe about £10 or something like this if you go to a restaurant. But look how easy this is to prepare at home. You know, and especially in a time like this when COVID is rocking the nations and the world, you needed, you know, you had a crave for stuff like this. You know, you need a little bit more soy sauce. You know, so.
Can I put the Maggies away?
You don't like Maggi? You choose. Guys, here we have some spring onions. Going to be sprinkler on top of my chow mein, and also I've got some seeds. You know the seeds are really good for you. You know what kind of seeds? We've got some pumpkin seeds, we've got pine seeds, we've got sesame seeds. You know, here. So I'm gonna go in with my seeds and my spring onion. When you bite into that noodle, you can hear that crunch going. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna plate it up now, and I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like and let you know what it tastes like. So here we are. Here we have it. Our vegetable chow mein. Yeah, man, vegan and vegetarian. This one is for you. You've been asking for it for a long time. So here it is. Finally here. Yes, people. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. You know, and you know, trying to get somebody to subscribe to my channel because you know I've been putting out some awesome contents, people. You know, so I really need your support. You know, to help this channel to grow. You know, yeah. So just tell your friends, your family member, if you already subscribed, if you are watching and you're not yet a subscriber or a member, please join. Yeah, man. Come on board with us, you know, because we're going places, and I remember you guys for your kindness that you have showed towards me. So yeah, man. So here we have it. I'm gonna taste it now. I don't know if my wife wanna taste it also. Get your one fork. Come, get your one fork and come. No, you get your one fork. You get your one fork. You want to taste it too. You want to taste it same time with you. And turn that way. So when you look at the camera and tell the people what it tastes like.
Tastes like food.
tasting visual, right? You know it's food so right? So give me a hand is up here. If you don't taste good, tell me say don't taste good.
Okay. Different flavors.
And tell them.
Did you taste it?
Really nice. You can taste the sesame oil, you know, the oyster sauce. You can taste the spiciness from the Maggi liquid season. Yeah, so yes people, so here we have it now. Until next time, cook and inspire, widow.
In and out the kitchen.